Welcome back. Here in the Southern California area, there's about 1.6 billion square feet of warehouse and distribution space to support the huge amount of cargo entering the Port of Long Beach. In this next story, we'll meet two Southland companies, Skechers Shoes and Ability Trimodal, to see how they're expanding and modernizing their facilities to keep up with the cargo. It's another example of how trade through the port supports businesses throughout the region and the nation. Take a look.
Every week, between 12 and 15 giant cargo ships arrive here at the Port of Long Beach. So where does all this cargo go?
A third of our business goes direct from the vessel to the rail and into the rest of the United States. A third of our business is destined for what we call the local market, Southern California, Phoenix, Las Vegas. And then there's a third that's called transloading business. And that's cargo that comes in off of the ships from international origins and goes into distribution centers and warehouses. And they're mixed with other types of cargo and put into what we call domestic loads. And those might ship directly from those distribution centers to the stores. And those are very labor-intensive and job-creating segments of our business. Transloading creates jobs for truckers, warehousemen, engineers, people that are specialized in logistics and supply chain handling. A lot of folks that have to support those operations.
The faster you can get the product onto a retailer's shelf, obviously, the more time, the more opportunity he's got to sell it. Speed to market is important from that aspect, as well as things go in and out of style, and we're in a fashion business as well, so it's important for us to get it to market quickly before, before trends start to change.
To support the handling, processing, and shipping of all these millions of containers, a huge warehouse and distribution system has grown all over Southern California, allowing for the transfer of these goods to destinations anywhere in the United States. This vast distribution network is one of the key advantages of moving products through the Port of Long Beach.
Within 100 miles of the port, there is over 1.8 billion square feet of warehouse and distribution center infrastructure. Importers know with 100% certainty that they're going to be able to get their goods coming through the Port of Long Beach.
Strategically, we're in Southern California because our product, for the most part, is coming from China. The sooner we can get our hands on that product and get it into our stores and into our wholesale customers' hands, obviously, the better for us, the better for our business.
Skechers, started in 1992 in Manhattan Beach, California, today handles more than 3,000 different styles of shoes. To get its products quickly into the hands of consumers all over North America, Skechers recently completed a huge investment in its future, moving into a new Southern California distribution complex.
We are currently in 6 buildings in Ontario, so we've become our own best customer, so to speak, as we've grown. We always wind up having inventory in the wrong location and having to move it to a different building, so we have a whole operation that's devoted to doing nothing but moving inventory around. So by finding acreage large enough to support a building that would enable us to consolidate operations was a home run for us.
This new 1.8 million square foot building with 300 truck bays is truly state-of-the-art, with fully automated storage and retrieval systems, as well as high-speed sorting.
We get our hands on those containers when they come into the port very quickly. It is also a foreign trade zone, which enables us to participate in that and defer duties and have reduction in our clearance costs. This just works for us.
While this facility is still in the testing phase, Skechers plans to have up to 1,000 people working here very soon, over multiple shifts. So no matter where you buy Skechers throughout the country, they will have made a stop right here in Moreno Valley. For Ability Trimodal Transportation Services, which operates 3 warehouse facilities near the port, there are other benefits to being close to the Port of Long Beach as well.
Some of the best reasons for being so close to the ports of Long Beach and Los Angeles is the fact that our drivers can get many more turns than most other drivers can. These drivers are getting about 4 to 5, sometimes 6 turns a night. It's also proximity to all the other modes of transportation here. We have access to port, rail, and air.
Whether cargo is staying here in Southern California or being transported to other regions throughout the United States, it's clear that the Port of Long Beach will continue as a key player in the growth of international trade. The port and its private partners are investing in the future.
As you've just seen, lots of great things are happening at the port. And to make sure you know the latest, please visit us at youtube.com/Port of Long Beach to check out some of our other videos. You can also visit us at POLB.com for the latest news and information. Until next time, I'm Iris Almario, and thank you for watching Pulse of the Port.